Hi witches! So today I wanted to talk a little bit about an herb that is both really hardy and really resilient, but also very delicate and soft, and that is pansies. Pansies are very special to me because they remind me of my mother, so using them in magic, for me at least, is a great way to kind of call on that feminine energy that I have, like, you know, with the female ancestors that I do have, and the women who came before me. And I plan on using pansies to do some like ancestor work this summer. So personally, I'll be pressing several of them, just pressing them and putting them in my book of shadows, as well as having them on my altar for when I'm working. So some folk names for pansy are banewort or bonwort, bird's eye, bonewort, bouncing bet, garden violet, heart's ease, horse violet, Johnny jump ups, which is what my mom called them, kiss me at the garden gate, little stepmother, love idol, love and idleness, love lies bleeding, loving idol, meet me in the entry, pence, stepmother, and tittle my fancy, which is a very strange name for a flower, but you know, it's fine. The planet that rules pansy is Saturn. The element is water. The powers are love, rain magic, and love divination. So I'm really excited to talk about rain magic and storm magic when we get kind of into April, when we start having those kind of summer storms, I guess. So in terms of magical uses, if pansy is worn or carried, it will draw love to the wearer or bearer. You do some love divination. If you take pansies and you plant them in the shape of a heart, if they prosper, you will find love soon. If not, your love will maybe diminish. If you pick pansies with dewdrops still on them, it will soon rain. So if you're trying to, you know, call some rain to you, if you pick pansies with dew on them, it'll come very soon. So like I said, storm magic is really, really cool. I can't wait until I have the ability to start doing some of that, because there are like tons of plants that help with calling on storms and rain magic and stuff. So I will do a whole video about that next month, I promise. I'm very excited about it. Well, that's enough blabbering about pansies from me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.